Hey guys, so today I wanted to review this Bauer 6-inch angle grinder. This is the one you can pick up at Harbor Freight. I think it's pretty cheap. It's only about $50, give or take, and that's without a coupon, which they always send out those coupons, so you could probably get it even cheaper than that, I'm sure. But let's go ahead and open it up and see what the quality's like, and we're gonna test it by sharpening an axe and just kind of go from there, test it out. Comes with instructions, some parts, batteries for the LEDs, more components, some locking nuts, there she goes. There it is. The Bauer 6-inch Harbor Freight angle grinder. Alright, so I decided I'm just going to show you guys how to assemble this thing. It's pretty simple. So this plate is just bolted on right here. It comes with a bolt and it goes on. You can set your depth for where you want your grind stop to be. So you just put those on. I've put both of those on now. You can see them where they're at. It's kind of interesting. I noticed one's higher than the other one. I don't know if that's by design or if just the plate is twisted or what the deal is, but that's something I've been looking at. So the next step, Phillips head screwdriver. You just take out both sides from here. It's got all these like locking washers and stuff on it. You can see them. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to set it up here and screw this in. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take these shields. You're going to unscrew this. You're going to slide this through here. It's got a square on the end of the bolt, so that way it won't rotate. And then you can go ahead and just tighten this down. That way when you want to make your adjustments, you just loosen this one right here. And then you can bend it down, get it right where you want it, and then just tighten it. Then it's nice and secure. Once again, tighten it right where you want it. Adjust this other guard, tighten it down. Super easy, super simple. There you go, it's fully assembled. All in all, it's pretty heavy duty. It feels that way, at least so far. It's got these rubber feet on the bottom. Should help against vibration. Discs spin real nice and free, so that's good. It's not like gumming up in there or anything. These feel kind of cheap. I mean, they're just plastic. LEDs both work, both sides. There we go. So that's good. That's a nice little added benefit, I guess. Let's go ahead and plug it in and fire it up and see how it does sharpening an axe. All right, first things first, let's go ahead and take a look at the axe. Here's the blade on it. It's not super great. You can see there's a chip right here. There's chips up here. It's not super dull, but it's not sharp by any means. This is pretty much butter knife status, so we definitely want to make that a lot better. So let's go ahead and we're going to try this on the coarse side first, and then we're going to try to smoothen it out after that. After we hit it with the coarse side, I'll show you the axe again, so that way we can kind of see exactly the progress we're making. Dadgum, that thing is quiet. That's got to be the quietest grinder I think I've ever heard. I'd say so far that's looking pretty good. That blade is looking razor sharp already on it, which is super nice. I haven't even hit it with the softer side yet. Feels pretty good too. Still got a little bit of a chip up here, so we're going to try to work it just a little bit more. Obviously we don't want to take off too much life out of the blade here just to get that chip out, but we'll see what we can do. Well, I gotta say, that worked pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. That blade is sharp. So all in all, I think this is actually a pretty good buy. I mean, 50 bucks or less is what you can get it for. It does the job. It's not gonna break the bank. Seems like durable quality. Comes with a couple extra little gimmicks on it, but you know, can or can't use them. It's up to you. It seemed to work really well. Doesn't vibrate too bad thanks to the vibration reduction feet. The quality seems to be pretty good on it, especially for what you're paying for. So I'd call this a win for sure. I'm not sponsored. I had to buy this with my own money, but I just thought, you know, I might have been interested in finding a video on this exact particular model, so I thought it would be great to share it with you guys. I hope you enjoyed me reviewing this tool. If you guys would like to see me review some more tools that I have here around the farm, just let me know. Just drop a comment down on the bottom. I'd be happy to do that. And if you're interested and you like this kind of content, I'd suggest subscribing and like the video. It really helps the algorithm get my name out there. Thanks a lot.